everyone, and we're going to be rigging this mustard can. It's still got stuff in it. We wrote this hi for you. And say hi to Noah and Thomas in the red, Noah in the black, and I am Nico. And we are going to be rigging this, as you heard before. And yeah, we are going to rig it with this big piece of wood here. See this piece of wood? Okay, Noah, ready? Put it on the ground. Thomas, where are you going? Come on, let's do this. Okay, Noah, smash it with that piece of wood. Oh, I just got squirted. Oh, oh, look at that. What's that in there? Lay it down like, no. Oh, it's got, oh, it's got mustard everywhere. Oh.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. And back. Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look at that. Okay, ready? Throw it. Oh! Let's go see what's happened. Oh, the lid has completely came off. Look at that. Oh, let's do this. Let's do it. Okay, throw it again. Stand back. Oh! Oh, mustard just came pouring out. Look, there's dots everywhere. It just came pouring out. Look at that. He's throwing it again. Here we go. Oh, it just splattered. Oh,
Look at that.
wow. Oh, I don't even know where that went.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is. It went in a bunch of trees. Oh, I think that's it. Alright, I think we're done for today's episode. Thank you for watching. And be sure to watch the other ones. And please subscribe or like this video. We'll see you next time. Bye.